Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Authenticator for secure crypto exchange logins, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable Google Authenticator for secure crypto exchange logins, begin by downloading the Google Authenticator app from your device's App Store. Once the app is installed, open it. Next, navigate to your crypto exchange website and log into your account. Locate the security settings or two-factor authentication section within your account settings. Select the option to enable two-factor authentication. You will see a QR code displayed on the screen. Now, open the Google Authenticator app on your device. Tap on the plus sign or add button in the app to begin adding a new account. Choose the option to scan a QR code. Point your device's camera at the QR code displayed on the crypto exchange website. The app will automatically recognize the QR code and add the corresponding account. Once added, you will see a 6-digit code generated in the app. Return to the crypto exchange website. Enter the 6-digit code from the Google Authenticator app in the designated field. Confirm the entry to finalize the setup. You may be prompted to save a backup key during the setup process. Store this backup key in a secure place for future use. After confirming the setup, Google Authenticator is now enabled for your account. Log out and then attempt to log back in to verify that two-factor authentication is functioning correctly. You will be required to enter a new 6-digit code from the app during the login process. Make sure to check the time setting on your device, as it needs to be accurate for Google Authenticator to work properly. With this, your account is now significantly more secure against unauthorized access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.